Welcome to this basic training on SabreCloud. Please enter the website address as cloud.sabrebiometrics.com:81 to access the SabreCloud website. Make sure to use your correct username and password provided by Sabre or contact the Sabre Support Center should you need assistance. On the first screen you will find your dashboard. Here you will see statistics such as how many staff you have, how many are present, how many are absent, as well as late arrivals and early departures. Below this you will also see the active logs of coming and goings of staff as it happens in real time. To set up your new staff or change exiting staff settings, you will click on Personal on the top tab, then click on Employees on the left-hand side tab Options. For this example, I will select employee number 99. Here you will find all settings relative to employees, such as here under Device Setup you can enroll staff fingerprints with a desktop installed enrollment reader. Alternatively, let us know which device you will use as your enrollment one and we will set up the system so once you have enrolled staff on that selected device, the system would automatically deploy those prints or facial captures to all other devices. You can also enroll an image using a PC installed webcam, which will automatically be used for facial recognition. Under the employee profile screen you can select basic information such as department, area if you have an access control solution and want to manage reports based on selected areas, employment type, such as permanent or temporary staff. Please be sure to select a start date pre the time a staff member starts clocking, otherwise you will not see their data before that start date time on reports. If you're using the mobile functions for job costing or staff clocking outside the workplace, please make sure you have been registered to do so with our sales team. We will create another video showing how the mobile clocking and its features work. You can also complete the personal information tab should you wish to keep this info accessible via the system. The mobile number and email address are important should you be using the mobile app or using self-help feature for staff to also have access to apply for leave, overtime, or claim for monies due by the company. Now let's get to the results the system provides. You will find reports under the Attendance tab. And to the left look for reports here. You will see a vast number of reports for your access based on the version of SabreCloud you have purchased. All you require is to select a report and see your results. Let us know if you need any reports automatically sent to you via email so our team can set this up for you. Let me show you a few of the most used reports, starting with the total time card report. For all reports, select the start to end date for your selection. You can also filter by a selected employee if you wish or departments on the left. Let me select one employee and show you. With all reports you have the feature to export the report to PDF, Excel, CSV or text. Let me demonstrate exporting to Excel. I always prefer the option of employee-wise. This sorts the report by employee. Test the other options yourself. Now you can open your export in Excel and even manipulate the data should you wish. Another commonly used report is Employee Summary Report. Something worth mentioning, the default view in many of the reports is still set to 20 employees being listed. We are busy changing this to be 200 to make sure to look at the bottom here as to what it's set. Should you not see? While on this report, let me show you how the filtering works by department and how quick it is to filter. You can do more personalizing to the report screens by selecting Personalize at the top here to show zebra strips, highlight and line divisions. Play with this feature yourself. You can also customize which fields you would like to see in your report both on screen and when exporting. See here. Here is another often used report called Daily Attendance Report. You must find which reports work best for you. Maybe go through all of them and take notes or print them all out to select your favorites. Also a good one to look at. See Daily Details Report. This report is one of my favorites, called Total Punches under Transaction Reports. This gives a good indication of the comings and goings of staff members, showing all their clockings. A few of the other setting, mainly set by the Sabre team on your behalf, but you can see if they correct. Firstly, the shifts, most importantly timetables of hours working. This is what determines what falls into overtime or short time. Then there are also the breaks taken off regardless of clocking, which the company does not pay for. This brings me to the end of this short but hopefully informative presentation of the full version of our SabreCloud software. There are many more features either hidden or not available based on your requirements. Let us know if you have any questions, as we sure we will cover all your needs within our software. I thank you for your time.